a lot of rumors regarding your health.
Please.
Sir, there are a lot of rumors regarding your health.
So there is a rumor in radio circle that your health condition is not well, but we have seen today that you are visiting India and reviewing the developmental work. What would you like to say about your health condition?
Whenever there's an election, these rumors are started that my health is not well. But I can assure all of you, I'm in perfect health, very happy, and here to serve the people of Odisha.
Sir, do you think that the opposition has any fear of losing the Panchayat election? That's why they are spreading these rumors?
I don't want to say anything more, only that, as you know, the moral code of conduct is on, so one shouldn't speak too much. But whenever there's these rumors, you can be assured the Biju Janata Dal is going to do very well.
Sir, anything regarding the Tamra project?
I think, touch wood, we'll get all the permissions and then we're going to even beautify it more. Also, I wish to repeat to all of you again, please don't forget that the COVID-19 pandemic is still on, so please take your precautions, wear your masks and take all the precautions that are necessary. Thank you very much.
महाप्रभु करंतु आपण सब बेले सुस्थ थांतु आपण एमती हमन आशीर्वाद करथांतु ओडिसा रे उन्नति एमती होता सर
धन्यवाद।
जय लिंगराज सर। नवीन पटनायक जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद। नवीन पटनायक